In this video, we're diving into 2026 coolest 5 vegetable spiralizers. Stay tuned to find the must-have gadget for your kitchen. We'll assess performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Check the description and first comment for product links. Let's explore these devices one by one, starting with our first pick. Get ready to transform your veggies. Our first product is the OXO Good Grips 3-blade handheld spiralizer, a versatile tool designed for effortless spiraling. This model's 3 interchangeable blades offer flexibility, making it ideal for zucchini noodles, curly fries, and more. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for health-conscious individuals seeking to add more veggies to their diet, this spiralizer is a kitchen essential. While the exact price isn't specified, its features suggest a balance of quality and affordability. A reliable choice for anyone wanting to make healthy meals quickly and easily. Next up, the OXO Good Grips handheld spiralizer stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. With a compact design, it's perfect for those with limited kitchen space or who prefer minimalistic tools. The sharp blade effortlessly cuts through vegetables, making meal prep a breeze and cleanup fast. Ideal for students and busy individuals, it offers quick and nutritious meal solutions. Though pricing details are absent, its practicality suggests good value for the money. An essential tool for anyone looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into their routine. Our third product, the OXO Good Grips Spiralize Grate and Slice Set, offers multifunctionality in vibrant colors. This set combines spiralizing, grating, and slicing, making it a comprehensive tool for various kitchen tasks. Its durable construction ensures longevity, handling everything from soft fruits to firm vegetables. Ideal for families and home chefs who love experimenting with different recipes and textures. While the price remains unspecified, its multifunctional nature provides excellent value. A smart investment for culinary enthusiasts wanting to expand their kitchen toolkit. Fourth in line is the Full-Star Mandoline Slicer, a 6-in-1 tool that offers versatility beyond spiralizing. This set includes safety gloves, ensuring user protection while providing precise cuts every time. Its compact design and variety of functions make it a space-saving powerhouse in any kitchen. Perfect for those who enjoy cooking and want to streamline their prep process with one tool. Although the price isn't listed, its array of features suggests a cost-effective purchase. An excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and multifunctional kitchen gadget. Finally, the Full-Star Pro Original Vegetable Chopper is a 4-in-1 device that combines chopping and spiralizing. With a convenient container, it keeps your kitchen tidy while speeding up meal prep. Its robust design makes it suitable for daily use, handling everything from onions to zucchini. Great for meal preppers and anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine with fewer gadgets. Though pricing details are absent, its multi-use capability offers strong value. A must-have for anyone dedicated to efficient and healthy cooking. Truly, only the best make our list.